How to connect Printify on your Wix account. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to connect the Printify website into the website on Wix.com. So it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in seconds I'm going to show you how to do it. So your first step that you need to do is to log in or sign up on Wix.com. As you can see, I have already created my account. I have created a couple of websites as an example. So we just start from scratch, and all you need to do is to just click on create new site. So it's going to offer us the AI chat to create our website, but we are not going to use it right now, so just click setup without chat. Okay, so now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So it could be an online store, the portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company, restaurant, or event. So it can be anything you ever think of. So just for an example, I'm going to choose the online store and then click continue. So we are connecting the Printify. I'd rather think that you are creating an online store. So I have choose the online store too. Now you need to create a name for your website. I will type in just a simple name as an example. Then click continue. It's going to ask you, do you already have an online store? If you have, click on yes, I am ready selling online, or if you don't, click on no, I'm just starting out. So it's really simple. I click on no, I'm just starting out, then click continue, and here it's going to ask you what kind of products are you selling. So it could be the physical products, digital products, drop shipping products, print on demand products, or services. So for our example today, I would pick drop shipping products plus physical products, because it would be t-shirts with designs. Okay, so then click continue. It's going to ask you how you're offering your products. So you could offer them by online store, in-person marketplaces, or by mobile app. So I just stay on a tick with the online store and then click continue. Okay, we are all set right now, everything is ready. I just click continue to dashboard, and now we are good to go. So now I'll show you quickly how to connect Printify to your website. So right now go to see this dashboard on the left side of the Wix website, and here you will see apps, and then go to app market, and here you have a search bar where you need to type just type Printify. Okay, I already see the Printify. Okay, so create and sell products, we handle the rest. It is what we need. So just click on it and you see all the information about it. So Printify is for creating and selling products. They handle the rest. What Printify gives you you can create and sell custom products. It has a comprehensive network of 65 print providers, over 90 locations, simple creation process for new items, automatic sign-in, and it's free to use. So you don't need to pay anything to use this Printify app, but you need to place the Wix Stores app firstly in order to connect the Printify. So you just click go to editor, and here you need to pick a template. Just click on this button, and now you see a variety of templates that are can be used by you, and you just choose by your heart whatever best suits you. So for example, I really like this template. I just click on edit, and we are almost done. It's going to load a bit, couple of seconds we need to wait, and it's going to be ready in seconds. Okay, so everything is almost done. We just need to wait a couple of more seconds, and we are ready to connect the Printify account. Okay, so here you can see the editors page. Right now we are on the home page of our website. You can see the page that you're currently in right here. So what we need to do is to go to the add apps. It's going to open the Wix App Market one more time. We need to go and search Printify one more time. Okay, so here you see that you can add it to your site. Just click on it, and for example, I need this one. You just reload the page if something goes wrong. Okay, so you see that Printify is loading. You need to log into your account or sign up on printify.com. I have a Google account, log into the Printify, so I'll quickly connect. So here it's going to offer you connect to the Wix. So connect to Wix, give you store name. You just name a store here. I'll name it example 1 and then click connect. It's going to open your another page where you need to agree and add to the manage orders, manage products, and the basic site and business information. So just click agree and add and you're almost done. Okay, so congratulations, you're connected a Wix store. Check out this article and how to start selling. So as you can see, we have connected our Wix website with the Printify account. So in order to as we zoom out, we can see the sections. So if you want to add a section that is connected to the Printify, you go here with add a section, and here you just choose the best type that ever suits you, whatever suits your magazine. So as you can see, we have here a section with the products. So I don't really like it. If you don't like it, so just click on 3 dots and then click delete, and drag into your website another section like this one. Okay, it's need to load a bit and our section will be here. Okay, as you can see, we have added this section. Then you just add here your products. You can add your catalog. Here you see your wallet, inside, store settings, branding, or you can use the Printify Premium. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you in the next videos. Goodbye.